Hey YouTubers, it's me, it's Desi, and I'm back. Sorry you guys are catching me right now in my morning robe with my morning hair with no makeup. Sorry. But I like to get ready in one fatal swoop, and if I'm not prepared, then nothing's getting prepared. Which brings me to the reason for today's video. We are going to do a review on Amazon's recommended synthetic wig and the awesome leave-in conditioning spray. These came as a set for I think 36 bucks on Amazon. I got them maybe a couple weeks ago, but I really want to wear a colorful wig today because I'm just feeling like it. And this wig is a rat's nest. As you can see, there's no way that this is sexy. And if your wig is in this state, please wash it. It doesn't like you either right now. It's mad at you. It really wants you to wash it. I've already washed about 4 of the wigs that I have, synthetic wigs, with this solution, and the results so far have been good. I'm gonna show you first the water, and I just washed a small synthetic bob in my sink with the soak. And I'm gonna take you in the bathroom to see what that looks like, and I didn't even wear it. Like, the water would make it look like I just recently did a film with like Stallone, you know, and Van Damme, and we had to, with Liam Neeson, like, you know, find a baby that was stolen by the Soviets, and I had to like learn Russian and dig through a tunnel of crap. You know, it looks like I had to go through all that wearing that wig to like explain the water situation that you will see. I wore it to a club, okay, like that was it. That's the light of day that it's seen, and the water is just, it's almost unexcusable, and it's such a small amount of hair that it's embarrassing. So we're gonna show you that water first, and then I'm gonna hopefully revive this once beautiful synthetic lace front, but I'm gonna show you the water damage from the first one, and then I'll have you guys with me for this wash to just prove to you how great of a shampoo this is. Like, I definitely give it 2 thumbs up, but I'll let you make your own decisions when you come see the water, and I'll rinse out my sink and we'll do this one. So, but before I get into all that, if you could definitely like and subscribe, that would be sick as beans. I wanted to say but I didn't, so pat on my YouTube back for that one. All right, yeah, I didn't. I deserve a like for that. That's hard, especially if you've got a potty mouth like me. No! Oh, I yelled at my Echo, and she actually just was like, no. That's weird, huh? She just turns on sometimes. Do you guys have that problem, or is it just me? Anyways, let's get to this. Let's go ahead and see how this can be revived. Like, literally you can't even stick your fingers through it. That's gross. Try this out. Get a close up if we can. Yes. Coming in a little better here. Coming a little better here. Can we get an amen? I think we got an amen. So that's what the bottle looks like. As you can see, I've used probably from here up. Just as you can see the water, if I tilt it a little bit. So I've used quite a bit because I've washed 4 or 5 wigs. So come see the water and stop judging my hair and robe and no makeup, okay? This is how God made me. Thank you. Sorry. Let's get to it, guys. Again, I'm Desi. I'm here to make your decisions a little wiser. So let's go. I'm gonna pick you up and we're gonna go.
Hey guys, so this is the wig that caused all of the disgustingness in that sink. And again, this is the awesome spray conditioning. This will be your second part. It's the one that has the sprayer on the top to make it easier. But the shampoo and conditioner come as a set, and I'll show you that information at the very end of this video for how to get it on Amazon. And it's pretty neat. I mean, they're under $20 to get the set. Now, they're not very big in comparison to maybe a regular conditioner and shampoo, but they get the job done. So So now that my sink is cleaned out, refill it up with some lukewarm water. Now on the back it says, before washing, recap use. I've been using like 2 caps worth. Uno cap. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Overspill, overspill. This is the disaster, you guys, that we are going to wash. So it says just, immerse in water. And so we're just gonna go ahead and push a little bit and let it sit for what it recommends, 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put on a timer and we will come back and check this. Okay, some time has passed and I don't know if you can tell, the water is pretty gross looking. So I'm going to do as it said. I'll just see the water. Oh, I pulled out, look at that. I still have to rinse it and... So make sure you rinse it pretty good. I'm just going to fast forward this for you to make it easier. I patted it out to get all the excess water and then head to the last step, which is to spray it with the conditioning and make sure you get it thoroughly, inside and out with the wig conditioning spray and then dry it out. So the blue hair there, I did that with the shampoo and conditioning spray and it came out fantastic after I brushed it. And this isn't brushed, but it still is super clean. So here's the products, you guys, real quick on Amazon. And thank you guys again for watching.